Alright guys, back out here again on a new boat. Just got my Hobie, I'll talk about that in a minute. Today I'm going for something special, something that I've tried for a lot and not got a lot of. And we got on them really good yesterday. Crazy wide open bite, got some footage of that. If I don't get anything today, I'll just include that in this video. But yeah, we're going for ghosts. And as you can see, I'm right on the kelp. These things have just been cruising the kelp line, busting on anchovies. And we got into them thick yesterday, so let's see if I can get them again. Something's taking it. Something's taking it. Oh, dropped it. Nope. Oh, it's a sea bass. It's a sea bass. They're on it. They're on it. Why won't they hit it? Bro, they're over here.
I thought we were on our way. Do you have Adam's number?
Hold on, I got one. There they are. Got one! Oh no, just a big ass smelt. God damn it. I think the camera picked those last ones up though. They were just cruising. I had them for a second. It was in its mouth. Didn't commit to it. And then I had my sabiki on the water. Probably got an anchovy on there. And it just tagged it. Ripped the whole thing in the water. But they're here. They're here. Yeah?
Like 3 times.
They hit it so many times, it's stupid.
Maybe they're mackerel.
No, the Seabass will do that too, though. When they hit it, I kind of let it sink for a second. Oh, like pause it.
When they hit it.
Yeah, and then they'll come back and whack it. I think they headbutt them. There we go. That's a bass. Yep. This one might be good. Huh? It's a small one. I'm just gonna shake it off right now. I don't want to deal with it. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Hey, gas back, don't stop, keep reeling.
Yeah, if it pops off, just keep going. On! Ugh. Oi. Oh. This guy's really running. Oh, he's going for it. So it might be big enough. Well, maybe not. Oh, he's short. Ah, it broke me off. Ah, he's gone. Okay. Down another swim bait, but what are you gonna do? Oh.
They bite.
Yeah. Another little one. Oh, he's on one. Nice.
Oh my god!
Yesterday?
Yeah. I didn't get all of them on camera, but I got maybe 5. A couple keepers. It was just super windy and I like put my GoPro away. And then of course they show up right after my battery's dead and I put it away. Another little guy. This one doesn't have any bars. Usually the smaller ones have them. I had one like a minute ago.
This other one's not good.
There's no bait.
Huh?
There's no bait. I'm thinking it's probably going to be slow for a while, and then this afternoon the bait will start to pile up again.
I don't know how much longer I can stay out here.
There you go. There. Get him. Get him. Get him. That's a big one, dude. Stop him. On! On! Mine might be keeper. Yeah. Oh, he's got so many with him. Cast next to me.
He's got someone with him?
He's got like 10 with him. Follow him up. Cast like right there and rip it by me. Yeah, this one's looking, I don't know. It's probably close. It's all good. Nah, he's not that big. Well, he's like right there. Yeah, that's probably short, but it's probably short, but it could be close. Let's see.
Yeah. The one I got
27.
Mine was 26. 27.
It's nuts. 25, that's it. All right.
25.
Big one? Huh?
Want to check gas?
Yeah.
You got me really fucking good. Like, really good. I put the thing in there, and the gas came out. I was like, worth every fucking ounce of blood. Don't pull it though. I don't want to get hooked.
We're about to limit, dude. We're about to limit on the rarest fish in the fucking Pacific Ocean.
Dude, I'm so glad
I think they moved over there, honestly.
No way, no way. They're so thick here, they're definitely.
Yeah? Oh, I got hit. You know what I'm doing to get hit? I'm reeling it and then I'm stopping it for a second and they fucking nail it.
I'm getting hit on the fast tree, bro.
Yeah? Honestly, I think they hit everything.
I don't think it matters. Dude, I think it's surface time. Oh my fucking swim bait. That's all fucked up.
On. This one's better. Yeah. This one's better. A lot better. My line's way out there. You can't cast. Unless you go around me. Feels, it's like a 10 pounder. All right, you're good now, you're good now. Yeah, a little bit. So loose.
I just missed that fish.
Your drag's ridiculous. You need it tight.
Fuck you, I know, nigga. You're the one who always told me I got to try to be fast.
I don't know if this one's good enough. All right. Didn't look big enough. This is how crazy it is. I'm probably gonna get big again in like 2 casts, or this cast. Yep, 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 yep. Fucking wide open with the most sought after fish in California. This is like my 5th one. Battery dead for the first ones, but I'm still on them. This one's better. This one's a keeper for sure. This one's a good one. Yeah.
You got on camera?
Yeah. I let the last one go. It didn't look big enough. Oh, I don't like that. It's hooked weird. It's wrapped up or something. Come on. No, they're in that channel. Deep, cast straight down that way. Yeah, you should be good. Let it sink. I let it sink a lot.
Oh my god, yeah. They're right there in that channel. Oh my god!
I got more.
I literally need that. I'm using the old one.
Come here, come here.
Hold on, this was still good. Let me other one.
Yeah, there we go. That's the thing right there. It's catch or release for now, dude. I'm already limited, but I'm gonna still catch him and I'm gonna release him. I don't care. Got my fish. Oh shit. Hopefully the bite's still good. Yeah, right here a second ago. Right where you were. Right where you just cast. On.
Yeah?
Yep. Yep. Oh, he's charging me. I don't know, it doesn't feel very big. No, but he's got friends. He's got friends with him. Cast over here. Cast like right there and crank it in. I mean, he's probably 28, but I'm gonna just toss him. No, he's small. He's small. He's small. Baby. Never thought I'd say that. Good one. Good one. Yeah. Oh, he's trying to get in the kelp. There we go. He's like a 28.
Keep it.
Nah.
Why not? For me.
You don't think you can get one? Fine. I'll give him to you.
I'm really not getting this one at all.
They're deeper. I'm letting it sink pretty good.
I let it see for 5 seconds and immediately got bigger.
I do that, reel it up, crank it like a little bit, and then I let it drop again because they're deep. This one's not very big. I'm gonna let him go. Ah,
Bro, just keep it.
he's not even legal.
He's not legal?
No. Another one.
That's legal, bro.
I'm gonna run out of swim baits.
That was a damn bogey, which is so nice.
It's so nice. I can just point it. Oh, we think we're hot shots now that we got on one good day. There we go. Oh, good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Oh, double! Watch out! This is bad. I gotta reverse. Oh,
Tiny.
baby.
Huh?
I don't know how big mine is. They hit it so hard, I can't even tell. Dude, my arms are sore.
You don't have to paddle.
Ugh. No. He's so close. I want to get you a nice one. Oh, he's got my drive. There he is. Well, now these are all, he looks small, but they're all borderline. They're either just under or just over. A couple bigger ones mixed in. Got a nice like 36 inch earlier. There we go. Oh, goodbye. They're just, I'm gonna run out of swim baits at this point. I'm gonna start hooking them funky. I don't think they care very much. I'm just going straight braid. We were hooking them in the kelp and the mono would not cut through. So straight 40-pound braid. I'm no expert at this, but casting it out, letting it sink, and then just ripping it in. Little pauses in between. And they're hitting it like literally, like I'm not joking, literally every cast. I'm not gonna post this for like 2 months. Oh, all Right next to the boat. I don't know if the camera caught that. I had a feeling it would happen, so I pointed the camera down there. You know what? I'm gonna bite that off. Let's do this. Probably hook more of them too. Boom. Ow! If you need a swim bait later, I got one for you. Let's see if I can get one on this laser minnow. I think so. Actually, scratch that. I'm gonna get one, 100%. I guarantee it. Watch me not catch one now, but I don't care. I've caught enough, and they're hitting it on the sink, so this thing's gonna kill it. A little worried about that treble being annoying to get out of the fish, but it'll probably hook up better, honestly. I think it's that rod, dude. You can't set the hook for shit on that rod. Yeah. Yeah. It's so soft and it's like 9 foot. There we go. Oh, I got thumped. There we go. Told you. Yeah, this one's better. No, he's a little one.
Little one?
Yeah, he's not even, it's like 25. Yeah. Not gonna lose him on this thing. Hope I lose this one because I don't want to unhook it. Come off. He's not hooked that bad. They have some sharp ass gills, I'll tell you what. Adios.